Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying exactly what outputs your laptop and mobile support and why that matters. Different ports handle video and power differently. Once done, connect the first external monitor directly to the laptop using the best available port or adapter. Use a USB-C to HDMI adapter if needed. Make sure your mobile is set for USB video or casting and that a powered hub is ready for additional screens, because passive splitters often fail with multiple displays. Now continue by adding the remaining monitors one at a time so you can confirm each link. Chain via DisplayPort MSD or use a powered multi-port dock when the GPU supports it. If you use your mobile, enable its display output mode or launch a reliable wireless display app and pair it to the laptop. Then adjust resolution, orientation, and primary display in your operating system display manager. This ensures windows scale correctly and performance remains smooth across all screens. Finish by optimizing refresh rates and scaling, and save a display profile so you can quickly restore the setup. This reduces repeated tweaking. If a screen flickers or goes dark, check that the dock is powered, swap in a higher spec cable, and update graphics drivers because bandwidth or driver faults are common causes. If the mobile fails to act as a monitor, toggle its USB display mode, allow permissions, or switch to a wired connection to rule out wireless interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.